I did my MTech Biotechnology and PG Diploma in Clinical Embryology. I came here for ICSI training at CFC, and here the training was very good, and I handled ICSI training and very well by using two micromanipulators. One is RI and another is Nashige, and the trainer here is very much well equipped, and he teaches us to all phase of learning, and he is very well versed in teaching, and he taught me intricate levels of how to do ICSI, and from micromanipulation like techniques like alignment and immobilization, and he taught me how to do ICSI very properly, and I also learned the techniques about vitrification, especially I've done embryo vitrification, but I had particular doubts about oocyte vitrification, and he taught me about oocyte vitrification and how to do that very well, and I got very much well equipped with this, and I thank everyone who supported me here, and especially Dr. Thomas, who arranged this special technique, a special training for us, and he has done this CFC training center is very much well equipped, and I thank everyone for who supported me here. Thank you.